The Makati Central Business District is a financial and central business district in the Philippines located in the heart of Makati, Metro Manila. Many of the skyscrapers in Metro Manila are in this area. The business district is also considered one of the most vibrant commercial districts in Southeast Asia. Most of the famous law firms, construction firms, stock brokerages, and other big companies in the Philippines have their main offices here. There are more than 100 multinational companies, which are companies listed in Forbes Global 2000, have regional headquarters and operations in Makati. Downtown Makati is one of the most easily accessed business districts in the Philippines. Public transportation within the city is facilitated mostly using inexpensive jeepneys and buses for commuters working in the district. The Central Business District will be serviced by the future Makati Intercity Subway. Downtown Makati has been the financial capital of the Philippines since the late 1960s.